Understanding the phrase, seal the surface, a guide for English learners. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're going to explore a very interesting English phrase, seal the surface. This might sound a bit technical at first, but it's a phrase you might encounter in various contexts. So, let's dive in and understand what it means and how you can use it in your everyday English. When we talk about sealing the surface, we are referring to the act of applying a protective coating to a surface. This could be for various reasons like protecting it from damage, making it waterproof, or even just for aesthetic purposes. The idea here is that the coating creates a barrier that prevents anything from passing through it. This phrase is commonly used in contexts like construction, painting, and even cooking. To better understand this phrase, let's look at some examples in different contexts. 1. Construction. We need to seal the surface of the deck to protect it from rain and sun damage. 2. Painting. Before we apply the final color, we should seal the surface to ensure an even application. 3. Cooking. Seal the surface of the meat by cooking it at high heat to keep the juices inside. In each of these examples, seal the surface is used to describe the act of protecting or preparing a surface for a subsequent action. It's important to note that seal the surface should not be confused with simply covering a surface. Sealing implies a protective or preparative action that usually has a lasting effect. Also, it's a phrase more commonly used in practical, often hands-on contexts, rather than in abstract or theoretical discussions. I hope this video has helped clarify the meaning and usage of the phrase, seal the surface. Remember, understanding such phrases can greatly enhance your fluency and comprehension in English. Keep practicing, and don't hesitate to use seal the surface in your conversations when appropriate. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next video.